Question. You think you shouldn't get where you want without your axe feet? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God, I talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you see, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, well, may I invite you to click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
today, we are going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Matthew chapter 7 from verse 7 to verse 12. Ask for what you want and you will get it. Look for what you want and you will find it. Knock on the door and it will open up for you. Because anybody will ask, we get what they ask for. The one them will look, we find where them a look for. And the door will open for the one them we knock. Which one of you were a father? Uno boy picnic ask uno for piece of bread. And uno take stone game. Or same ask uno for one fish. Uno wouldn't give him one snake. If uno so wicked, I still know how to give uno picnic nice sitting. Uno not think so uno father we in a heaven. We give better sitting to the people them. We ask him for something. So, no matter what I do, uno fi treat people how uno want them fi treat uno. This is what the law and the prophet them did mean. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.